So we started this nut grove about 20 years ago when we moved here. This one hazelnut tree that's huge was here at the time, and then we slowly added more, this whole hedge coming across here, and that's all hazelnuts, and then we have a walnut there and an edible chestnut here. They were all given to us by people, like Transition Salt Spring was promoting nut growing for free protein at the time, and we thought that was a good idea, so we did it. And other friends like Ken Rainsford and Sue Higgs gave us trees for our grove. Now we're at the point where we get baskets of nuts every year.
So how many trees would it take to get a basket like this?
That's basically off one tree. That's off that bigger tree that's in the back. That's about 15 or so years old, 15 or 20. It's producing about 6 of these baskets, right?
Wow. Do you usually just eat them raw, or do you put them in recipes as well?
Both. It's kind of like, hey, come on over to my house, let's bake a cake. You can sit here and visit with me and crack these nuts. I need a half a cup.
Gotcha.
I know it takes a little bit of a time to invest in planting the trees, but once you get a grove going like that, you think about how much free food that is in a time like now where there's food insecurity. It's amazing to... You just hit me in the face with that nutshell.
Safety goggles. Safety goggles on.
And that we could crack some nuts and have some free protein. This is the most amazing thing.
Absolutely. And, oh, they're delicious. I'm nuts about nuts.